Deep inside, everybody wants to work out. It's good for our health and not so bad on the eyes either. You're no different. You want to work out. You really do. You even have a gym membership. And you're definitely going to start using it any day now. Just not today. So you get a casual handheld exerciser, but pretty quickly you learn that they're not really working you out. At best, they let you repeat a movement with the same amount of resistance no matter how much force you apply. Meet Emergy. A real handheld exerciser. First of all, it's light. Because a handheld device means you can carry and use it whenever that "let's work out now" feeling sinks in. But your weird springy thing is also light, so that's not a big difference. Emergy is real exercise because it provides torque resistance. That means that it starts easy and gets harder the stronger you get. So even if you have the strength of a 12-year-old, you'll be able to use it easily and get toned up. Pretty quickly, you'll be as strong as at least a 15-year-old. Then a real adult. Emergy's unique technology is based on the same tech astronauts use to get their workouts. In space, it's really hard to lift weights, since, there's no weight. So torque resistance is the answer, which Emergy happily adopted. It's even made with an airspace-grade anti-impact spring system and a stainless steel inner weight. It's so good, it's out of this world. Get it? Because of space? You get it. With every movement, Emergy works on several upper torso muscles. And that little movement, due to the resistance system, works not just on the vanity top layer of muscles, but on deep muscle tissue. Woke up feeling today wanting to sweat? Spin harder and Emergy will resist harder. If you actually go to the gym, superstar that you are, you can just use Emergy for a quick workout when you're at the office and need a little extra boost. So if you want to be able to work out wherever and whenever you decide is the right time, with an exerciser that adapts to your strength, get Emergy, the portable exerciser that actually exercises you.
Okay, Marley, hold on. I'll let you out. Oh, what now, Marley? You want to come back in? I'm gonna have to teach you how to open that door.
Now you can teach Marley how to open and close the door with AutoSlid, fitted to any of the sliding doors in your home. AutoSlid's K9 option allows you to easily set the door to open and close for Marley whenever she wants to go out or come in. You can set it to open to the width of your pet, and with this pet toggle, it will only open for Marley and no other animal. Visit AutoSlid.com to discover the endless possibilities when your sliding doors open for your pets.
Need a power bank with unlimited power wherever you go? Introducing the SolarBox Mate. SolarBox Mate is the most powerful and efficient solar energy wireless power bank. With the solar panel, SolarBox Mate's power bank can be charged wherever there is sunshine. By using the cutting-edge technology, the 4 solar panels can offer 10-watt power with a 22.5 efficiency rate, which makes SolarBox Mate the most efficient solar charging panel. SolarBox Mate supports charging 2 devices at the same time. You can charge your phone wirelessly and also charge other devices with this cable. And of course, you could charge the power bank while other devices were plugged in. You can take off the power bank from the solar panel and take it anywhere you need. The power bank can also export a 10-watt power to charge your device. With all these features, SolarBox Mate is totally eco-friendly gear. There is a built-in cable with 3 different connectors, including USB-C, lighting, micro USB, and a USB on the body. You can always find the right connector for your device. 10,000 milliamp storage can fulfill the charging needs of all your devices. Besides the solar panel, SolarBox Mate also supports micro USB charging. The indicator light on the body will show you directly how much power you have left. The solar panel is designed for water resistance and scratch resistance. With the built-in LED light, SolarBox Mate will provide you emergency light. Your safety is the priority. SOS mode can even be seen from far distances. SolarBox Mate is small, foldable, and portable. It will fit into any of your bags or pockets. With a special material, the solar panel will never fall apart or get broken. SolarBox Mate, your charging mate on the go.